Hi everyone, my name is Nilisha and I'm a homeschooling mom of two wonderful kids, Nathan and Naraya. Nathan is 11 and Naraya has just turned 7 during this lockdown season. You know, I've always wanted to start my YouTube channel on homeschooling, and who knew that COVID-19 would plunge me right into this. As the whole world is affected by this COVID situation, you know, over 85% of the world's kids are not going to school. This has not really disrupted their learning, but their routine as well. And when kids don't have a routine, they get irritable and anxious. And anxious kids makes for stressful parents. You know, as a homeschooling mom, I had to deal with this really early on in homeschooling. And today I would like to give you a few tips on how to keep your kids learning and motivated at home. So my first tip for you is to create a routine for your kids. Now kids might not know it, but they really love a routine. You know, you can sit with your kids and ask them what are the things that they would like to do, things that they would like to learn and explore, and make a list of things. And you can make a list of things that you would like to see your kids learn and grow in as well. And together, you can sit together and make a plan and see what your day could look like. And it need not be rigid, but the kids, the basic idea is to plan along with your kids, and they know what their day would look like. Secondly, I would like to give you things that you can include in your routine. Whatever might be their age, have a time for reading books. Cultivate that habit really early on in their childhood. If they're older kids, you definitely want to have a time set for academics. Also, there are a lot of various online platforms, and I've put a link to a lot of them below. Kids can listen to audiobooks, wonderful informative videos about nature or animals. There are a lot of online interactive virtual tours, a visit to the zoo, the White House. Your kids can go globe-trotting from the comforts of their home. You can also cook and bake together. It's really fun. We had a wonderful time doing that. My kids practice their instruments, like Nathan on his drums, Naraya also on her, does a ballet class on Zoom, and she also plays the piano. So there's a lot of things you can do to pack your day. So this brings me to my third tip. Give them breaks. Now this might seem insignificant, but giving your kids breaks is super crucial for their mind. You know, in between tasks, you cannot lurch from task to task. They need to have a breathing space, and that's why a child needs to have breaks between things, especially at home. It definitely makes them more focused in the next task. So my fourth tip is being purposeful in spending time together as a family, and especially with your kids. Now this has been very challenging for me because whenever I have free time, I really want to sit down with my book and have a me time, which is great. But purposefully spending time with your kids is also very important. So we do that by just having, a fun game times. We play board games, and on the weekends we play Monopoly. A friend of mine gave me Skip Go and Spot It, and there are lovely quick games that you can just play at the table, and it really is a bonding time with you and your kids. We also do movie times, and they can also have their own time for screen time, just to put that in. But having times together as a family is so wonderful because it helps you bond with the kids and they with you as well. My final tip is my favorite one. It is to give them tasks that you want them to help you with at home. They know that they've got to do their cleaning their rooms and stuff. But during this lockdown season, I've given them extra work, and they're actually enjoying it. They put away my dishes, they do laundry, and I have a set time for them. Like from 12 to 1, they help me, and it might sometimes just be cooking, and from 4 to 4:30, they do their maybe laundry or some small chore that I have. And my daughter loves it. She just puts on some music and she does it along with music, so it's fun for them as well. And we sometimes sing together while doing work, and it has been really a rewarding time in this lockdown season that we planned these times where we do our household chores, but when we're having fun together as well. So these are the tips I had for you. I hope it has blessed you and enriches your time with your family. And I want to leave you with a verse from the Bible, Ephesians 5:16. See that ye walk circumspectly, not as fools, but as wise, redeeming the time, because the days are evil. If you like this video and you want to know more on homeschooling, you can subscribe to my channel.